For as long as humanity has looked up at the night sky, we have tried to measure the vastness of what lies beyond our world. We mapped the stars, charted the galaxies, and even dared to estimate the number of worlds scattered throughout the cosmos. But each time we believed we were close to grasping the true scale of the universe, reality shattered our assumptions. Now, with the James Webb Space Telescope opening its golden eye, the cosmos has revealed something even more staggering. A single image stretching across 13.5 billion years of history has forced scientists to confront the possibility that the universe is not only larger than we imagined, but older, stranger, and more populated than any theory ever suggested. It is not just a discovery, it is a redefinition of our place in the cosmos. Before Webb, it was the Hubble Space Telescope that first pulled back the veil. Its famous ultra-deep field revealed about 10,000 galaxies in a single small patch of sky, each galaxy a collection of billions of stars. That discovery changed everything, leading astronomers to estimate that the observable universe may hold as many as 2 trillion galaxies. But Hubble had a limitation. It could not see the oldest light, the light stretched into the infrared by billions of years of cosmic expansion. Webb was designed to pierce that veil, and when it finally began its observations, it revealed a universe far more intricate than we expected. If Hubble showed us a glimpse of a neighborhood, Webb has revealed an entire continent. One of Webb's largest programs, Cosmos Webb, devoted more than 250 hours to studying a section of sky 3 times larger than the full moon. Thousands of exposures were combined to create the most detailed map of the universe ever assembled. Within it, astronomers counted an astonishing 780,000 galaxies, their light traveling billions of years to reach us. In this single frame, the story of cosmic evolution unfolds, from mature spirals similar to the Milky Way to baby galaxies born just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. To put this scale into perspective, if Hubble's deep field were printed on a single sheet of paper, Webb's new map would sprawl across a mural over 13 feet wide. Every dot of light is a galaxy, and every galaxy is an entire universe of its own. But perhaps the most unsettling revelation is not the sheer quantity of galaxies Webb revealed, but how developed they appear so soon after the universe's birth. According to traditional models, galaxies at that time should have been small, faint, and chaotic. Instead, Webb uncovered massive, well-structured systems with spiral arms, heavy elements such as carbon and nitrogen, and evidence that generations of stars had already lived and died in a cosmic blink. These galaxies should not exist so early. Their presence rewrites the timeline of cosmic evolution, suggesting that star formation and black hole growth began earlier and faster than anyone thought possible. With a single sweep of its mirror, Webb has forced scientists to rethink the very foundations of how the universe formed. This discovery is not just about images, it is a challenge. Every time humanity peers deeper into the universe, we learn that it is larger, more organized, and more mysterious than we assumed. The structures revealed in Webb's images stretch for billions of light years, forming a tapestry so vast that even light takes eons to cross it. And yet, here they are, preserved in a single photograph. It is the closest humanity has ever come to holding infinity within reach. The data from Webb's first year alone will take decades to fully analyze, and within it lies not only the history of the cosmos but the unsettling possibility that we may never truly measure its limits. As astronomers studied the sprawling landscape revealed by Webb, they noticed something even more mysterious. The galaxies were not scattered at random, like grains of sand tossed into the void. Instead, they seemed to trace vast, invisible threads across space, aligning into colossal networks that defy imagination. These are the filaments of the cosmic web, enormous strands of dark matter and gas binding galaxies together like jewels on a string. Some stretch billions of light years, forming the backbone of the universe itself. The mystery lies in how quickly such order appeared. By our old models, it should have taken billions of years for gravity to carve this intricate architecture out of chaos. But Webb shows us that the universe was already woven together almost from its beginning, as if the blueprint of creation was written into the fabric of reality itself. What Webb has revealed is both humbling and unsettling. The universe is not the chaotic explosion we once imagined, it is a structured, interconnected cosmos, a web of unimaginable scale. And with every new observation, it whispers to us that what we think we know is only the beginning of the story. The discoveries pouring in from the James Webb Space Telescope have done more than extend our view into space. They have shaken the very foundation of cosmology. For decades, the Big Bang theory has been the guiding framework for how the universe came into being. It explained expansion, background radiation, and the birth of galaxies. But Webb's images present a puzzle that the theory struggles to solve. If massive, mature galaxies existed so soon after the supposed beginning, then either the universe grew at an unimaginable pace, or our timeline is deeply flawed. This has led some researchers to reconsider ideas long pushed to the margins, models of a cyclic universe reborn again and again, or even the possibility that time itself doesn't flow in a straight line but in layers, allowing structures to appear earlier than logic suggests. What once seemed solid science now feels like fragile scaffolding, and the very concept of a beginning is under question. The telescope's deeper look raises an even more unsettling idea. Perhaps the universe has no edge at all. Until recently, astronomers described the observable universe as a sphere roughly 93 billion light-years across. Its limit set by how far light has traveled since the Big Bang. Webb's revelations suggest this may be only the faintest glimpse of something endless. If galaxies appear fully formed near what we thought was the dawn of time, then maybe the universe is far older than we believe. Or perhaps it has no beginning or end at all, existing eternally in both directions. Infinity, once dismissed as a philosophical abstraction, has returned to the scientific stage as a possibility we must now face. The implications are dizzying. In an infinite cosmos, our place becomes vanishingly small. And yet, paradoxically, it means that every possibility exists somewhere, written into the endless fabric of reality. The emotional impact of Webb's findings cannot be ignored. On one hand, the vastness it reveals dwarfs us. Hundreds of thousands of galaxies appear in a single image, each galaxy with billions of stars, each star a potential host to worlds. Trillions more galaxies lie beyond our sight. Against that backdrop, humanity seems like nothing more than a flicker of light in the dark. But at the same time, there is an undeniable sense of significance. It was us who built Webb. It was us who asked the questions and dared to seek the answers. The fact that a fragile species on a small blue planet can reach out and glimpse infinity is one of the most extraordinary revelations of all. In Webb's images, we see not only the universe but also ourselves reflected against eternity. That reflection fills us with both awe and fear, because it reminds us that our journey has only begun, and the answers may be far more complex than we are prepared to face. The James Webb Space Telescope was designed to push the limits of human vision, but what it has revealed goes far beyond sight. It has forced us to rethink the very nature of existence. In a single frame, it shows us hundreds of thousands of galaxies, each one a sprawling city of stars and worlds. It reveals cosmic structures so vast they cannot fit into our models, and galaxies so ancient they disrupt the timeline of creation itself. The scale is not just immense, it is beyond measure, layered, possibly infinite, maybe even eternal. Every discovery multiplies the questions, stretching imagination to its breaking point. And yet, within this overwhelming vastness lies something profoundly hopeful. Despite our size, despite our fragility, we have built a tool capable of capturing light from the dawn of time and returning with its secrets. The silence in the control rooms of NASA, the awe that sweeps through the halls of science, All stem from one inescapable realization. We stand at the threshold of a cosmic revelation. The universe is not only greater than we imagined. It may be greater than we can imagine. And Webb has only just begun.